Ever wonder if there was a reaction that could create a toothpaste big enough for an elephant? So much of the way the world works depends on reactions. Now, I'm not talking about audiences reacting to a movie, or your reaction to a waiter who's accidentally sneezed in your food. The reactions we're going to talk about today are the ones we see when two different things combine together to create something entirely new. In this experiment, we're going to take some common ingredients and create a giant foaming reaction, which is pretty scientific, but mostly just fun. As you can see, I have these fashionable safety goggles and safety gloves. Now that I'm ready, let's mix together some hydrogen peroxide. Now this is 30% hydrogen peroxide, much stronger than any of the stuff you might find in your medicine cabinet. We're gonna put in 2 droplets of food coloring and some glycerin. And finally, we're going to add some dish soap. But now that we have it, we're going to mix it all together. Yeah, all right. Now that we have our hydrogen peroxide mixture ready to go, we have one last ingredient, potassium iodide. Now, we're gonna put these two together inside our Erlenmeyer flask and see what happens. All right, as you can see, our mixture is foaming at an exponential rate. This is because the potassium iodide has an iodine ion, which is the enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide into oxygen gas and water. This causes our elephant toothpaste to expand. Now, spoiler alert, this may look like something you might brush on your teeth, but the ingredients in here, well, they definitely won't prevent your cavities. So don't think this is any replacement for good old-fashioned store-bought toothpaste. Now, this is great and all, but how does this apply to you? Well, the enzyme catalase is found in the human body. It's why you see hydrogen peroxide bubble up when you put it on a cut or scrape. That escaping oxygen is what kills off the germs, not the hydrogen peroxide itself. Your reaction to that fact? Mind explosion.